So question 31 is about transformation of function by using the function calculation. This one is difficult to use the substitution method of certain point is because they didn't tell us which one is the new one, which one is the original one. Maybe this one is the new one, or in reverse, maybe this one is the original one. So we need to think many different possibility. For me, I will think about is shift left by how many and then upside down. So it may help you to get it easier or quicker. So if I try to do so, the line of SF symmetry is the middle, so this is 7.5. And another line here, the middle between 2 and 5, x is equal to 3.5 here. So from this transformation, maybe it is from left hand side move to right hand side by 4 units. Or in reverse, maybe it is from right hand side move to left hand side by 4 units. And it is affecting x. So maybe there is a new function which is x plus 4 or fx minus 4 appear in our choice. So it's quite straightforward that we find that C most probably will be the answer. And then after that, there is a negative outside. So which means that this curve moved to left hand side by 4. So 6 minus 4 we got 2. 9 minus 4 we got 5. And then finally we flip it upside down. That means we multiply a negative next to the result. Then the answer is C. So that's how I get it. But why it is why answer A and B are nonsense? First, if this is just x, that means we don't shift left or right, so it may be maintained here. Then we just flip it. So if this is the original one, then there is a function which is flipped like this. This is y equal to negative fx. And then, but however, we have negative 3, so it will change quickly, more vigorously. So this is y equal to negative 3 fx. So it's obviously do not match our situation. So how about the second one? If this is part answer B, how does it look like? If this is our original function, when x is 0, 0, assume that it's touched at this point. When x is 0, it will be fixed. And then if we multiply negative 3, that will react more sensitive to x. And it will become something like this. A narrower result. So it's obviously do not match the situation. So B is wrong. How about D? If we look at D, first is two step. Y is equal to f and then negative x minus 11. So we have to separate to two steps. First, we shift it to 左加右減 in Chinese, 左加右減, which means that if you move to left hand side, then you will plus something. If you move it to right hand side, then you will minus something from x. So based on this, we will first, if this is the original function, y equal to fx, then fx minus 11 will move to right hand side. So from 2 plus 11 will become 13. From 5 to become plus 11 will become 16. This one will be y is equal to fx minus 11. After that, if you need to multiply negative in front of the whole thing, so this 13 will become negative 13. This 16 will become negative 16, and it will be something like this. Again, it's totally nonsense to this equation. This is y equal to f negative bracket x minus 11. That means negative x plus 11. So it's to not match this situation. If you're not sure, you may try to use some decimal function to try. But anyway, I think it's quite obvious to find out the corresponding point. If this one most probably is related to this, so you think 6 minus 4 will give you 2, or plus 4 will give you 2. So that's why only C is makes sense answer.